Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I would like to talk about Eve, but firstly, once again, thank you very much for watching my previous videos and even liking those videos. So I would really appreciate it if you liked this video as well. And if you liked all my videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I will start right away by looking at the Eve compared to the US dollar chart on with the daily candles. And what you can see right away is that Eve has broken through a huge level of resistance that we could see all the way back here on the 11th of February. And right now, on today's candle, Eve chose to break through this huge level of resistance that we had seen before. And I am very pumped about this move towards the upside, especially because Eve is a very well performing asset lately. And what I would like to discuss today is the possible support levels where Eve would find support in the near future. So if this uptrend ends right over here, it would be really amazing if Eve found support on the previous resistance levels, and that would be above the $525. But I personally think that Eve will be heading even further up before it will be bouncing back towards these levels where it will be finding support. And I personally think the $525 is a huge level of support and resistances. That's as well why I've drawn this orange box. And I will be going to the 4-hourly time frame to show you as well something very important, and that's the MACD. What you can see at the MACD is that a momentum switch is being created, and you can look right away, and a huge momentum towards the upside is right now being created on Eve compared to the US dollar. And this momentum switch over here is a potential huge move towards the upside. I personally think this momentum will be for a short period of time only, and I do not think Eve will be heading towards a much higher level. I think we will see Eve finding first support on the $525 approximately, in between the $525 and the $565 before it will be heading even further up. So why I personally think this is also because of the Fibonacci levels, and I will be placing this Fibonacci levels for all of you so you could look with me. I will be placing it from the highest point towards the swing low over here to look at the possible extension levels where we will be heading towards in the upcoming days. And what you can see right over here is that Eve broke through this level of support and resistance on today's chart. And I personally think that before Eve will be going even further, we will see a pullback, and it will be finding support by trading sideways. And if it does so, it would be somewhere approximately, as I said before, in between the $525 and the $565. But if Eve in the upcoming hours breaks even further up towards the upside and breaks above the one Fibonacci level at $583, I think we will be seeing a support level over here at the $553. And that would be really amazing, because if Eve finds support on the $553, I personally think that we will be seeing afterwards a huge move towards the upside. And if this move towards the upside is created, we would be possibly seeing a $765 Eve being created. My price target would be at approximately $562, and that's as well the Fibonacci level of 1.618. But I'm still just very curious what Eve will do after this short momentum towards the upside, and I think it will be finding support and support on the previous resistance. But just to make sure, I would like to switch over towards the Eve compared to Bitcoin chart And what I've seen here in the previous days is a huge pattern being created, and this is a descending triangle. These triangles tend to break out towards the downside, but as you can see right now at this particular moment, Eve broke through this downward sloping resistance line over here and is heading towards an even higher price target. So if Eve will be performing very well and has enough momentum, and during the upcoming days a possible huge move towards the upside would be created, and if this move is created on Eve, I will measure it for us. I think it would be a move towards the upside of approximately, let's take a look. It's a really huge move, so I'm really pumped about this, but I'm still curious how Eve will be playing itself out in the upcoming days. But this move, as you can see, is a move of approximately 90%. So I'm personally just looking at Eve, and I'm still taking notes and looking at Eve where it will be finding support. I personally think it will be on this support line. This was previous resistance over here and as well over here, and I think it will be finding support here before heading towards higher levels. But if this doesn't occur on the chart, we will be seeing a huge pump towards the upside of approximately 90%. So that's a huge move. So I just wanted to give you a quick update about Eve and what I personally think is very important to know. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.